Welcome to this manifestation meditation, a journey designed to help you step fully into the energy of your dreams. By the end of this practice, you will not only see your dream, you will become it and you will live it. You will have a sense of certainty, gratitude, and excitement that continues to draw your vision closer to you. Manifestation is more than wishing for something. It is aligning your thoughts, your feelings, and actions with the reality that you want to create. And when you do that, you activate one of the most powerful forces in the universe, the law of attraction. Your mind is not just a place where thoughts pass through. It is a creative force, so let's learn to master it and use it. Begin by finding a comfortable position for your body and relax completely. You can close your eyes and rest your hands gently on your lap. Notice any tension that you have in your body and let it go. This tension could be around your face, around your ears, around your throat, your shoulders, your chest, your back, your hips, your thighs, your calves, your feet and toes. If you notice tension anywhere, release that tension. Get into a very, very relaxed place. And notice your breath. We're going to breathe in together a few times. And our breath is going to help us get inward. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Deep breath in and breathe out. Deep breath in and breathe out. Let's breathe normally together. Breathe in and breathe out. Release any tension in your body. Breathe in and breathe out. Now that you're starting to relax, it's time to get clear about what you wish to manifest. Think about one specific goal or desire that lights you up. It could be a relationship, a career goal, financial abundance, radiant health. It could be a personal goal. Anything that matters to you. See it in your mind's eye as clearly as you can. If your desire is a new home, picture every detail, the color of the walls, the view from the window, the feeling of walking through the front door. If your dream is a thriving business, see yourself interacting with happy clients, receiving positive feedback, and feeling proud of your work. Do not rush this step. I'm going to give you a few minutes now to create a very vivid mental picture. Notice colors, shapes, textures, and sounds. Make your vision so detailed that your mind begins to believe that it's real. continue to explore this, imagine yourself in this visualization. It's not only that you're just imagining a picture, you're in it. And this is really important. Look around you. What do you see? How does it feel? What does your environment smell like? What colors do you see? Make your mind believe that it's real. And what we're doing is we're stepping into this visualization as though it's already happened. So feel it as though it's already happened. What emotions come up for you? Are you happy? Are you ecstatic? Are you joyful? Are you feeling proud of yourself? Is there a lightness in your chest? Is there a smile on your face? How do you feel now that you've achieved it? We are in our dream now as though it's already happened, and you've achieved what you've worked so hard to attain. If your manifestation brings you financial abundance, feel joy and security in knowing that you're supported. If it brings you love, feel warmth and connection in your heart. If it's health, feel the strength and vitality of good health flowing through you. Allow yourself to bask in these emotions of joy, gratitude, and excitement. These feelings are your magnetic signal to the universe. You are telling the universe that you have already achieved that which you desire. And this is the key to the law of attraction. When the universe believes that you've already attained what you're looking to attain, it just creates that reality for you. The universe responds to your dominant vibration, not just your words. When you live in the frequency of gratitude, abundance, and confidence, you naturally draw more into your life. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. This means that your thoughts are like signals sent out to the universe. The stronger and more consistent the signal, the faster the response. That's why belief is essential. Doubt is like background static. It disrupts the signal. But faith, clarity, and positive emotion amplify it. Right now, you are tuning into the frequency of your desire. Every time you visualize it, feel it, and believe it, you strengthen that connection. Go deep in your experience. Make it as real as you can make it. Notice your emotions. Notice how your body feels and how your body is responding. Really experience this visualized reality as though it's already happened for you. If any doubts or fears arise, thoughts like, I don't deserve this, or this is too hard, just acknowledge them without judgment. Then imagine placing these thoughts in a small balloon and letting the balloon float away into the sky until it disappears completely. And this is something you can repeat over and over again. You are absolutely deserving of everything good that is meant for you. You are absolutely worthy of everything good that is meant for you. You will receive everything that is meant for you. Say this to yourself: I release all resistance to my desires. I trust the process. I'm willing to receive everything in perfect timing. Let's go into some affirmations. And you can say these silently to yourself. I am a powerful creator of my reality. I attract opportunities, people, and resources that support my dreams. My desires flow with me easily and effortlessly. I believe in myself and my ability to manifest anything I choose. I am worthy of all that I desire. The universe supports me in every step I take. I already have everything I need to create the life I want. I trust that my dreams are on their way to me now. I am open, ready, and willing to receive my dreams. And yes, be willing to receive your dreams. Be willing to receive blessings and miracles that the universe is sending your way. Be open to receiving blessings and miracles. Feel extremely grateful for all that you have, including this visualized reality that you're in right now. Be grateful for it as though it's already been given to you. See your environment in your mind clearly, vividly. Experience joy, gratitude, and excitement as though your desire is already here. Trust that the work that you've done in this meditation has sent a powerful signal to the universe. From this moment forward, carry this energy with you in your daily life. Act, speak, and think as though this desire is already yours. to continue this meditation as long as you want and repeat it as often as you want. For now, let's draw this recording to a close. If you're ready to open your eyes, you can go ahead and do so. You can wiggle your fingers and toes and move your head, move your shoulders and your hips. And I'd like for you to bring the energy of this meditation into your reality. Return to this practice as often as you like to recharge your vision, strengthen your belief, and align your life with what you're creating. Thank you for your time. God bless. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. If you'd like to experience less stress and anxiety in your life, greater quality of sleep, and more inner peace, join my free meditation challenge. It is designed to support your overall well-being. The link for that is in the description below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. I would love your support. Thank you and take care.